Hello guys, in this video I will guide you how can you save your files in Microsoft Office or MS Word. It's very quick and easy. I will walk through all the steps, but first hit the subscribe button down below. It's really helped me out. Thanks guys. So firstly open up your Microsoft Office here. Here I'm pasting something here, just copy and paste here. Like I paste here a question here, questions answer, and now I want to make a file of this question, so it's very quick and easy. So just simply tap on this office button. Here you can see here is save option and save as. So I want save as. If you want to words documents, words template, words, here you can adjust which file you want. I like this one, words document, so just tap on it. Now select your file name here. Here's the word document, so just write here your document's name. Like my uni ID name is PC 2402022391 and ID video. I select this name. You can write any which you want, so just tap on this save option here. Just save it and let's check it's saved or not. Close it here, open up your PC, go on downloads, documents here. Here's the BC24 ID video, right? Just open it and here you can see it's saved. Now you can send anywhere your boss and your uni assignments and so on. Mostly I use for assignments, so that's why I create here. So if you want to send, you just select this file and send to that person and it will send. When they open, it will open only in Microsoft Office, not in PDF file or any other file. I hope you like my video. If you have any questions, just comment down below and here to go.